Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute.
Hey, I'm Deborah. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about the Shabby Chic Simplified series, fast tips of vintage home makeovers using old window frames. So our first idea today is to create a stunning centerpiece for your dining table. Place the window frame flat on the table and arrange candles and flowers or other decorative items on top. It's an easy way to add a touch of shabby chic charm to your dining area. Next, if you love plants, this is the perfect idea for you. Turn your window frame into a planter by attaching small pots or mason jars to the frame. Fill them with your favorite plants, and you have a delightful piece of decor. You can also, as an option, hang your window frame.